Hey guys, this is Joe Pinar. Today we are making local style fried noodles. So we have celery, carrots, cabbage, green onion, we have garlic, onion, we have our noodles there, we have the kamabuko, we have our egg, we have your char siu there, and we also have the spam, low sodium spam. So let's get started. So there you have it, guys. We are done with our local style fried noodles. So we have char siu, we have low sodium spam, garlic, onion, celery, carrots, cabbage, and green onion. And we also use pepper and soy sauce for taste. So that's about it. We're gonna try and taste it. Actually, this is requested by my daughter. She's craving for fried noodles. Okay guys, time to taste the local style fried noodles. I haven't cooked this for a while. So, it's by request. You see the spam, the egg, the kamabuku, the noodles, green onion. I have cabbage in there, carrots, garlic, onion. What else? I have some char siu in there too. So let's try. It's good. Okay, there you have it guys. This is a very short tutorial of how to make fried noodles. So thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and mahalo. Aloha. God bless.